job. Getting the hang of it, huh? Focus. Just got it. Meet the Himiway C1, an electric kids bike. I know what you're thinking, can this possibly be safe? Can my kid possibly benefit from it? We'll keep on watching our honest review to find out more.
Hi, I'm Penny.
Penny?
Yeah.
How old are you?
7, and you're my dad.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes.
Do you like to ride a bicycle or not?
Hard for non-motor bicycles.
Because you like, you said about pedaling, don't you?
Yes.
Since you would rather not do with pedal, right? Well, this
Yes.
is the new kid C1 heavyweight bike.
C1.
And I think you're going to like it.
Because you
Okay.
don't need to pedal?
You don't need to pedal.
Mm.
You can do that just like that.
Yay! But how do you stop?
We'll see. Show you.
Let me see if there's pedals.
Don't think
There's
so.
no brake thing.
There's a brake thing.
There is.
Thanks, baby.
We need to open it.
What's your name?
Bike.
Who are you?
My name is Scarlett. And Sissy, and he's Sissy's dad too.
Yeah?
He's my dad and Sissy's dad.
Do you really? That's so nice of you.
There.
Oh, look. You got a blockhead. Look at the camera. Turn around. Here, my God.
Ah.
That's what you do. What do you do? You're going to be a blockhead too. Ooh, it's white. It matches our garage and our house, huh?
Mostly some black.
It's black, yeah. There's some black in it too. Figure that out.
Put the comments in below. What is this? Let me see. Maybe. Oh, I know what this is.
What?
I'm not ready for it.
Down?
Yeah.
Okay, put your feet down. There you go. Put your feet down on the ground. Okay, and then this is how you brake. Okay,
Okay.
and this is how you go. Okay, so push just a little bit. See that? Okay, you gotta be careful. Okay, you can't you can't just put it down like just go. Just a little bit at a time. Okay.
You don't want pedal?
Ah.
Oh, geez.
Yep. But if you feel like you're gonna it's it. You just put your feet down and then brake. Okay.
Yeah. It's not awful.
Hold on. Hold on, baby.
I wanna.
Yeah, he fell in.
Wait,
He fell on the boxing in there. Of course, that's how you get injured. Okay, so now just give it a little juice. See? See? Steal.
2-0.
Yep, that's good. See?
Yep.
See? If you going quick. All right, so what does this parent think of the C1? Well, Teddy has frankly struggled to ride the balance bike that he had when he was a little tiny kid. And then he didn't really care to ride his bike without training wheels because it's just a lot of work and it's tough. It's always tough to learn something new, right? Well, Teddy absolutely loves the C1. Does he get as much exercise as he would riding a bike, a regular bike with wheels and pedals and all that kind of stuff? Of course he doesn't. But is it better than him sitting at home playing video games or watching TV? Of course it is. He's gotten so much better, he can go about a full block without putting his feet down. He puts them on little pegs and he can go for about a full block and just go. The great thing that I love the most about this is it's really pretty safe because you can limit the speeds that someone can use the bike on. It has 3 different settings. His maxes out at 7 miles per hour the way I have it on the first level. I believe it goes up to 14 or 15 miles an hour total. But if your kid can touch the ground, then it's probably a pretty safe thing for them to do. The other thing that I like about it is it just gets him out of the house. He wants to go explore, he wants to go try things, and the C1 is just a great excuse for him to leave the house. Today we went and did about 3.5 miles around our neighborhood, just cruising around, and he loved it. And that's what I love about this bike. Maybe he'll want to pedal more in the future, but I just want to get him outside, get him active, get him some of that awesome Colorado vitamin D sunshine, and have some fun with him. So if you have any questions or comments about this or anything else that we reviewed, please let me know in the comments below. I hope to see you again real soon. All right, so first ride on the C1, what do you think?
Awesome.
You like it?
Yes.
You want to do it later some more?
Yeah.
What do you like about it the most?
I mean, like how it can go so fast.
You know the pedal?
Yeah.
Even better, huh?
Over
All
here.
right, cool.
I want to call it Tesla's for its first name and bike for its middle name. Woo! Riding around. Go. Go. I know how to. Go! Yeah! I'm speedy. I'm speedy. I'm speedy. That's all speed. Speed. Speed.